Hi everybody, Tom from Picote, and we're here at the IFAT show. It's Friday, last day, and with me here is Senior Director from Picote Solution, Dawn Greig. Nice to see you.
Hello everyone. Hi Tom, lovely to see you.
We've had awesome week here, but Dawn has something to say about our new launch here at IFAT.
I do, and it's something I'm incredibly excited about, Tom. So as you know, I've worked with Picote for a number of years, and I'm so excited to see how things have grown over those years. I would like to say that I think Picote is now #1 in high-speed drain cleaning around the world. But the really exciting thing for me now is that we're taking that same tried and tested technology that's used on thousands of work sites globally every single day, and we're applying it to clean water pipe. So we've now launched Picote Aqua for clean water.
Picote Aqua. We had Millers for ages. When we did get the first one?
I think we've been using them on our own work site since at least 2008, but then we launched them internationally, actually at IFAT in 2012.
Awesome. People all over the world, they know Picote for Millers, for example, cleaning and descaling the wastewater pipes. But now we have the Millers and tools for water pipes. But what kind of millers do we have? All sizes?
We do have our same fantastic range of millers that we have on the sewer side. For Aqua side,
for example.
Yeah, this is the Maxi Miller. So the reason why we're highlighting this particular model is it has the longest range at this point in time of any of our Picote high-speed millers. So this one, for example, you can clean in clean water pipe up to 45 metres from each access point. So potentially from 2 access points, that's 90 metres. And it's the same fantastic capabilities as our existing range, which means that we have a number of attachments for the end of the cable, including this one here, which clean really well inside the pipe for a fantastic finish every time.
Can you tell us something about the antibacterial coating?
Absolutely. Millers? Well, this is another really exciting advancement. So Picote Millers for Aqua side are going to have nanotechnology. So they have a special antibacterial coating for sanitation purposes. And also we're going to have food grade oil, which lubricates the shaft inside the casing as well. Safety is very important to us at Picote. Oh, testing's incredibly important at Picote. So before every single miller leaves our facility, it's very well tested. But not only is it gone through its usual stress testing, it also goes through field testing. Not every single miller, but before they come to market, they're very well field tested at our own Picote work sites in Finland for many months.
Correct. Any last words for the viewers?
Well, I would just like to say that I think the future is incredibly bright. We all have to take some responsibility for our planet. And I would like to say that with our machinery, it's going to take less time to do the work. It means that it's going to be less of a carbon footprint at the work site. And I think it's really incredibly important that we all do our little bit for the environment. And hopefully, using our tools and our technology, that's something that our contractors can now do too.
So, please come visit Picote here at IFAT. C4 Hall, what was our booth number? 339. Dawn and I will be here, and our whole staff. It was a pleasure to see you, Dawn, and see you later, guys.
Thanks, Tom. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.